And after such a stretch of dry weather, that ceremony happening in some rain fog showers this morning.
Yes, and obviously heading into a weekend. It's a big weekend. People have outdoor plans. I know there's a big air show down in Portsmouth. It's going to be impacted by rain probably both days.
A little dicey. Okay.
So, yeah, let's get you caught up to speed on what you need to know for tomorrow. First off, the timing for the thunderstorm risk is between about 1 o'clock in the afternoon and 8 o'clock in the evening. The storms will be strongest in New Hampshire, southern and central Maine. If you're watching in eastern Maine, you're probably dry until night, and by then the storms will have weakened. The strongest storms may produce some damaging wind gusts and perhaps even an isolated tornado within the region tomorrow. It's been really tough to break the clouds apart today, especially east of Portland. You can see in the city right now, we're trying to do that, but haven't really done it successfully. Down in Portsmouth, though, it's 76, and the sun has broken out there. You can see that here on the visible satellite, all of this gray and white indicating the clouds that haven't broken up. But in the foothills and mountains, we do have some sunshine out there now. Temperatures are up into the 70s where we've seen the sun, but Wiscasset, Rockland, Bar Harbor, Bangor for that matter too, stuck in the 60s. A little bit of drizzle up through the central highlands. Otherwise, it's been dry out there this afternoon. This is the front on the way for tomorrow, but then this area of moisture you see down over Texas rides up along it, and because of that, the front slows down and never fully gets through here, which is why Sunday's forecast has gone downhill a bit. Now, this is the severe weather risk for tomorrow, and the area shaded in yellow is a slightly higher risk, so southern central New Hampshire into southwestern Maine, the highest chance locally for a strong or severe thunderstorm, but there is a risk that extends all the way into central Maine too. And there will be some shear in the atmosphere tomorrow, so can't even rule out an isolated tornado somewhere within the region tomorrow afternoon. So we'll give you this here on the timeline hour by hour. If you have plans tonight, the weather remains quiet. It is going to be a mild and muggier night though. We'll start tomorrow morning in the 60s. The sun should be out for a while tomorrow morning, except if you're in eastern Maine. That again will be rather cloudy here. But Bangor, south and west, it should be partly sunny, hazy sun, warm and humid. Inland areas make a run into the low 80s, and then tomorrow afternoon, after about 1 or 2 o'clock, we start to see these storms fire up. Now, this isn't going to be exactly right. It's just a model, but I think the idea is correct that there are likely some severe storms in here during tomorrow afternoon. And again, you've just got to have a way to get inside and get warnings if you do have outdoor plans tomorrow afternoon. By 6 o'clock in the evening, they make it to the coast, but then they start weakening from there. So there isn't a ton of rain that makes it into down east Maine until after the storms have weakened into just showers. And then on Sunday, we're left over with lots of clouds and yes, a chance for some rain, especially along the coastline. The Sunday forecast has gone downhill, but if you're farther inland on Sunday, a better chance to see some afternoon sunshine. So here's the marine forecast. Seas 3 to 5 feet, a southerly wind 15 to 25 knots, and there is a small craft advisory up on the water. So again, tomorrow afternoon and evening, thunderstorms developing, strongest in southern and central Maine. Tomorrow night we'll have rain, and then Sunday, if you're inland, there should be some sun that develops, but it's a cool day with highs in the 60s. Along the coastline, the forecast for Sunday has gone downhill. Showers look like they linger. It's cloudy much of the day, but then after that, we get into another good stretch for next week.
Okay.
Yeah. Big swing from Saturday to Sunday.
Yes, and because that system slowed down, that's why Sunday has gone downhill a bit.
Okay,
Yeah.
Brian, thanks.